What is up, guys? I'm back yet again with another one. Today, I'm sharing a short snippet video of a market analysis session with my students. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right, so I was saying, as you can see on the monthly here, as usual, what we said, we just try to make sense of what the market is doing, okay? So clearly, you can see that we have been in a downtrend, right? Severely. It's very obvious. Even a child can tell you that, right? Impulse, correction, impulse, and this we try to go up and we're going, understand? And if we're to just look at probabilities, there's only one buying candle, which is very weak. The market is just tanking, essentially, right? The annoying part about volatility 101S is there's nothing in the past where we could want to say, at least we wait when price gets there, we get up position. So look, we just use what's there. That's what trading is about. What has been given to us is what we use. So because of the monthly time frame and all of this, we are sell biased. The bias is very important because it's actually influences how we'll behave when we're actually going down the time frames. Okay. So now on the weekly, all right, this is what we have on the weekly time frame. Now, look at this. Can you see that on the weekly, everything is now to a certain extent more clear? We had a high over here. All right. Can you see? Right. High over here. Can you see that? All right. Lower high over here. Right. And in terms of phases of the market, we have an impulsive leg, correction, impulsive leg, correction, impulsive leg, and it seems like we're in a corrective phase. You understand?
Can I observe something here?
Yes, sure.
On that last correction where we have 3 green candles.
Yes,
that to me looks like a consolidation.
Yes, definitely is a consolidation.
So on a larger scale, this is a break and then it's now retesting the zone.
You mean like it would have broken this and now it's going to retest?
Right.
No, but look, I understand that. But you see, the thing is, because this market is heavily selling, we can buy, but that's not what we essentially want to do. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I'm saying no, because we expect it to come back in this era of every consolidation on the weekly time frame. We can look for a sell.
Yes, definitely. If it comes into here, we'll be looking for a sell. That's definite. Definitely. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So if price comes back in there, we're definitely looking for a sell. But now, because we're trying to understand that, fine, we might be in a corrective phase. You need to understand one thing. The best movements are in the impulsive phases. Are we together?
Right.
Okay. So imagine how stress-free it is if you're catching this impulsive leg opposed to trading the corrective wave. You see, the annoying part about the corrective wave is that it is not consistent in nature. All right. It's not consistent because you can see we go up and we are doing all of this. So imagine if you're in this will play with your emotions. You understand? So what you want to do, obviously, is to cater for your psychology when it comes to trading. So your best bet, truly speaking, is to trade with the impulsive legs. However, that doesn't mean you have to sit out when the corrective leg is at play. It's just that you need to know exactly what to do and how to execute. So now we have said that this was the last impulsive leg, and now we are in a corrective leg. So now, by definition, we have said that a corrective leg in nature is very inconsistent. And it's very annoying to trade. So now we need to decide, do we want to trade the corrective leg? All right. Or we want to wait for price to come in here where we know almost definitely we'll be selling. Are we together?
Yes.
So now, the other dangerous thing about trading the corrective leg is you never know when the corrective leg will end. What I mean is that it's never definite that price will actually get here. It can easily get here and start going down again because you understand that it's a selling market. All right. You can't really decide that the buyers here are going to show enough interest for the market to reach here. That's the annoying part. This is why we tried as much as possible to go with the markets, with whoever's in charge of the market, whether sellers or buyers. Do you understand? So, but either way, as we have said, that because trading is a game of risk to reward and risk management, we can try catch something here, But what is happening on the lower time frames will tell us what we can probably achieve. Are we together?
Yeah.
So now let's go to the daily and see what's happening on the daily. All right. Now on the daily, you can clearly see that we were coming in with a downtrending market structure here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That downtrending market structure has been broken.
Right.
Almost as if we're now starting to form a buying market structure. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So, in terms of speculation, that's fine. That means that, you're not also trying to sell over here. You can clearly see, right?
Right.
That wouldn't be so smart. Remember, we said it's either you're trying to wait for all of that or you want to catch some buy moves. So now,
Yeah. Premium price.
Exactly. So now the question becomes, where would you want to buy over here? In my opinion, if we can get a retracement into here, this would be a nice buy. Okay. Last opposing candle, because you need to understand in terms of market structure, let's call a spade here. Right? Let's nicely look at what's happening. High, right? Lower high, we have, right? Low,
Low,
right?
low.
Higher low here. We can expect a higher low somewhere in here.
Yeah.
See that? I hope you can see that.
I can.
Now, our analysis does not end there. Okay. We have said that we're expecting a retracement into here. So now, quickly, let's go to the H4 and see what's there. Now, on the H4, there's also this zone, which is my key point of interest at the moment. I'll just need to decide whether we should keep it. But on the H4, we have this. The buying market structure looks like this on the H4 time frame. Look at it this way. So all of this has been breached, this downtrend market structure here. High, lower highs, all of this has been breached. Let's just say like that. And then we have formed a high here and we formed a higher high. So the question is, do you think...
One question.
Sure.
I have seen where in I don't know if it's because it's on a lower time frame. I remember we were in a volatility 50 trade and it was tanking and then it would retrace. And in the last part, it took out the most previous high. But it came back down.
Yes, what do you... Okay, so it's
selling off. So is it because it's on a 15-minute time frame why we wouldn't say there is a breaking structure?
Yes, you see, those lower time frames are very misleading.
Okay.
Do you understand? This is the only reason why trading is a bit difficult, the time frames. Because like I'm saying to you right now, this is a buying market structure on the H4. Can you see? And this is our key interest. But now, because of the daily, this could easily be our key point of interest here. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Oh.
You see? So now the question becomes, do you want to use this one or this one? I hope I make sense. Let me clear.
I guess that will depend on momentum.
Exactly now. You see, this is what people don't understand. This is what people really don't understand, that the momentum coming into these zones truly matters. Because even if I'm here, if I'm to go to the line graph, I could easily say, okay, fine, this is a nice W, right? Right. Came here, W, we break and a retest into here, give us some nice momentum, and then we buy, right? Right. We could want to look at it that way, bring back the candles like that. And if you go on the H4, you see that we have this low there, right? So this, it could be something like this, right? And at the time, if we want to use channels, we could have a channel like that. You see this? Can you see?
Yes.
Right. Channel like that. This would be the top of the channel. And all we are saying, essentially, is give us, okay, come into here, and then let's see if we can play ball and go up. But now, like I'm saying to you, momentum analysis is very important, because we could say all of that, but price might want to even go deeper into this. So there's one way to find out. We have to just be patient and see how price behaves when it reaches what? The zone. Exactly. Right. So there you have it. Try as much as possible to keep your charts clean and organized. Exercise patience and discipline, then repeat. If you like what you see, Feel free to contact me for mentorship and access to my trading related services. Find my contact details in the description of this video. Until next time, ciao.